y'all, I have been in the mood for some guacamole, so that's what we're making this evening. I'm going to get y'all moved down in here so you can see inside this bowl. Hang on just a second. Okay, when you are making guacamole, your avocados, you want them to not be green. Green avocados are no fun. They are bitter, they're chunky and hard. They just don't make good guacamole. So you want to be able to kind of push them in like that and then be nice and soft. That's when you know that it's ready. Now, I don't want it to go too far. Once this starts getting really dried out here, then it's probably not any good anymore. But I've had these sitting, waiting, trying to ripe for me because they were green when they came in from the store. And so I think we're pretty good today. I've washed them. I did not take these stickers off because I'm just going to cut around them on the side, so I didn't have to worry about that. So here's how you cut an avocado. You're going to do it lengthwise, okay? So you're just going to cut in until you get to that seed, and then you can just follow it around like that till you get to the other side. And then you just twist, and it comes right out like that. Now to get that seed out of there, this knife has got some little edges on it like that. I just put it right in the middle of that. Well, I think this one's just going to come right out. Yep, we didn't have to worry about that. I may show you on the next one then. All right, let's find that sticker. I don't want to cut through it. Do the same thing here. Just follow it around to the other side. Look at that. We got lucky today. That one is coming out too. See how this one does. Uh-oh, I went right through that sticker. Look at that. I didn't want to do that. Let's see if this one we have to take out that way. Yep, okay. I just pop it down in there, give it a little bit of a twist, and it just brings it right out. Alrighty, let me wipe these hands off. So since I am going to be just smushing these all up, I don't have to worry about slicing them or anything like that. So I'm just going to scoop them out. And if you have that little piece on the end where it was attached to the tree, a lot of times that'll just pop right out. Make sure that you've gotten that out. I take it out whenever I'm washing them because sometimes when you start taking it out with your spoon, it'll grab that little piece and it'll be inside. That is a funny looking piece. I don't want in there. And it will be inside. See, I don't know if y'all can see that. There's a little hole that goes all the way through. So sometimes it'll try to come out into your guacamole. That was that little piece of that sticker that was on there. So since these are so ripe, they just come right out. You just get your spoon right there. Just scoop it out. A little piece of the edge. I don't want that in there. Alrighty. Go put these in my compost pile. And these I am going to plant. Just throw them in some potting soil. I'll keep them in my greenhouse so that it's nice and warm in there. And make sure I keep them nice and watered. But here we go. I'm going to smush it down a little bit. Kind of like that. And then you're going to take some lime juice. I have never actually measured any of my ingredients because it really depends on your taste. I just threw a little bit of lime juice in there. That lime juice is to keep it from turning dark. It has that citric acid in it, and that's what keeps your fruits and vegetables, which your avocado is a fruit. Keeps them from turning brown on you. I'm just mixing that up to get that lemon juice incorporated in there. All right, now I'm going to take a little bit of garlic powder. And this is to your taste. You can put it all in here and then taste it and see if you think it needs a little more of something, because everybody likes theirs differently. This is some onion powder. And then I'm going to put a little bit of black pepper. And I'm going to put some salt. That is a half a teaspoon. Let's go about 3/4 for now. I like a little bit of cilantro. Got some dried cilantro here. And I'm going to put a little tiny shake of some cayenne pepper. Not much, because I don't like it to be super spicy. And this is a brand new bottle, so I've got to get it opened up. Do y'all ever get these open like they're supposed to? Because I never can. Y'all see what kind this is? They have that little tab on there. They never work for me. Even on the, like, milk. Well, let me get this open. I'll be right back with you. All right, I got that cayenne open. And I'm just putting just a teeny tiny bit, because I don't like mine super spicy. All right, let's get that mixed up. It smells so good. It looks good. Those were some pretty avocados. All right, now for those 3 avocados that I had, I'm going to put about a cup of cottage cheese in here. That's about what I had left in this little package here. Now, I don't know of anybody else, like any of my friends or anybody, who put cottage cheese in their guacamole. But that's what my mom always did. And I always loved her guacamole, so that's the way I always do it. You could also add like some Rotel, not Rotel, but some salsa. If you wanted to add some salsa, some hot sauce or whatever to it. But this is what I like. So let me take a taste of this and see what it's like. That tastes pretty good. Taste it on a chip now. Mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. My dog heard the chips. Now, the longer this sits in the refrigerator, the more those flavors are going to mingle up in there. I took too big of a bite. Okay. This one, pit, seed, whatever you call it. It's the one that I actually cut into and I was having to take it out to keep this from turning green. Turning green. I hope it stays green. Keep it from turning brown or black. I've already put some of that lime juice in there, but you just drop that guy in there. I don't know why, but he's supposed to help keep it from turning. These other two, I'm going to plant them, see if I can get me an avocado tree going. Because I love avocado. I love guacamole. I love avocado on a salad, on a hamburger, for breakfast, on toast. There are so many things, and avocado is so good for you. But that's how I make my avocado or my guacamole. It is delicious, y'all. And that was 3 large avocados that I did to about a cup of cottage cheese. And then everything else you saw, I just shook it in there and that's it. So good. Y'all go make you some. I'll be back later for some good stuff for Christmas. Bye.